How to fix WhatsApp not opening on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to simply close the WhatsApp app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the recent apps, and then simply find WhatsApp and swipe it up to close it. Open the app again and check if it works. After that, you can make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the problem. If not, you can restart your iPhone. Sometimes the issue is caused by temporary system glitches, so simply restart your iPhone and then try opening WhatsApp again. After that, open up your App Store. In the search bar, simply search for WhatsApp. Once you search for it, you can go and simply tap onto it, and if this button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Updating the application can fix bugs and performance issues. Now head back to your home screen and check if it's working or not. If not, long press on WhatsApp, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, then tap on delete again. Once deleted, you can simply install a fresh version of the app from App Store. That's it. This method should help you fix WhatsApp not opening on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.